accident. But then just got to be careful because a lot of the tree, the holes crisscross. So when they crisscross like that, then you have to just watch out for people. Might hit them, or they might hit you. So.
So what's the play here?
Yeah, you hit driver, you can carry 250 yards. It's about 250 yards to the water, or to the yellow stake.
Whole body, not really sure.
I'm just gonna use 3 words.
It's a long parkour though.
I think you can clear the water.
Yep.
Over.
See, that's why. I can.
Wow.
Great.
Alright.
Hi guys, welcome back to Ivan Jen channel once again. Finally have a chance to play here at Meru Resort, very close to the nature feeling. Not much of a commentary this time, let the nature sound and the wind do the job. Not forgetting to like and share around the videos. If you are new here, I welcome you to the Ivan Jen's group. Remember to subscribe. Enjoy everyone.
So we were hitting from the carpet to the putting green there.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I've never been to the run. You're okay, bro. It's a good miss. Good miss. Wow, he still gets to my driver. I know.
I know.
It's a misfit. Hi.
Saddle. Alright.
Nampak?
Go first, huh?
Banyak kok.
Alright, be good.
Okay.
Thank you. He's on the dance floor.
Okay.
Perfect.
Great. This is nice.
Yeah.
Wow.
Maybe you should tee off before everyone else so we can.
Oh man. Not supposed to go there.
Perfect.
Wow.
That's perfect.
Thank you.
It should be good, bro. You might actually have an angle. Great shot, bro. Carry, go. Get up. You're safe. Lots of room up there.
Oh, I like it. have one? One more there?
Yeah, sure, sure.
Something like that.
Good. That's your part from there.
Hopefully I still can find the first one.
There you go. Shot. Very slow, bro.
Oh my dear, my dear, my dear.
Everyone now is trying to do everything on Good putt, bro. Good putt.
Well, finishing with a par here. Not the ideal game I wanted, but I hit a lot of good drive today. Just very poor approach shot. But do stay tuned for the back nine. You will see the different me. Well, see you on the back nine.
Yeah, good speed, good speed, good speed, good speed. Good shot. Speed control.